Hi, I'm Abigail, and welcome to Just Speak Twi, the podcast that helps you finally speak the Twi you've always understood. If you're a Ghanaian in the diaspora, maybe second generation, third generation, or someone who grew up hearing Twi at home, you already know what it feels like to understand everything, but feel shy, stuck, or unsure when it's your turn to speak. Maybe the words are in your mind, but not on your tongue. Maybe you've been embarrassed in the past, or maybe you never had a gentle, simple way to begin. This podcast is for you. Just Speak Twi is a warm, supportive journey that takes you from receptive to speaking, one small step at a time. Each episode gives you simple repeat after me practice, short, natural conversations, cultural notes to help you sound real and confident, and weekly speaking challenges you can actually do. No pressure, no judgment, just clear, practical Twi you can use every day. Every week, we'll build the phrases and confidence you need to introduce yourself, talk about your family, share your likes, describe your routine, ask questions, and even talk about your future, all in Twi. Because the truth is, you already understand Twi. Now, it's time to speak it. So if you're ready to grow, ready to practice, and ready to reclaim the language that has always belonged to you, subscribe to Just Speak Twi today. Season 1 begins January 2nd.